Okay. Okay, na? No, no, no. Okay. Hi, friend. This is Professor Ripuranjan Sinha, President, Innovation Society of India, Director General, Council for Sustainable Peace and Development, Development Consultant, Republic of South Sudan. Today, I am just presenting the topic released by Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, for the purpose of Startup India, Stand Up India, Innovate India, and Develop India. So today I am just discussing the topic about the Startup India, how Government of India is planning toward the creation of Innovate India, Sustain India, Stand Up India, and Startup India synergy and synergy through the scientific temper across the India. So let us start. So Startup India Hub will be the single point of the entire ecosystems and enable knowledge exchange and access to funding as per the Startup India Action Plan that is launched at 16 January 2016 by Honorable Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Prime Minister of the India. So consolidate the current system, bring all stakeholders to the common platform, value propositions for the all stakeholders, grow the ecosystems, connect with the global ecosystem, stimulate other to join the ecosystem, facilitate stakeholder access to information and knowledge handling support like that. So how to define a startup? This is a very big thing. As per the startup concern, Corporate of India definition, that is the age, entity type, turnover, and new innovation. So the thing is that age 70 years from the date of incorporation, 10th year of the biotech, means Government of India give up the startup, the organization that is 7 years from the date of incorporation, that is the startup. Okay. Or in the case of biotech firm, at least 10 years required to understand the fact and figure of the biotechnology company to known as the startup. As per the entity type concerned, so startup may be private limited company or LLP or partnership firms. Means complete profit making company is a startup. As per the turnover concerned, must not exceed up to 25 crore in any fiscal year. So developing new or improving existing product or service offering, that is the basic definition made by Government of India for the startup. So they define the word of the startup based on the age, entity type, turnover, and the new innovations. As per the recognition process by the Government of India, online application form, upload the supporting document, application evaluations, and recognition of the startup. So for this purpose, minimum time tenure is the 15 to 20 minutes for the online application form, uploading supporting document, and 24 into 48 hours for the evaluation and the recognition steps. In the case of 15 to 20 minutes, submit detail on the startupindia.gov.in, founder and team details, entity details, business models, and IP details must be submitted on the websites. As per the strategy, team evaluate proposals and take action within the 24 to 40 hours. If suitable, then application approved. If answer are not suitable, then second chance given to startup to reapply. So, as per the static concern about the Startup India, starting a startup revelation, around 11,634 startup recognized with the Government of India, around 448 district, 39 state, 6 union territory, 56 tier 1 city, 27 tier 2 city, and 17 tier 3 cities. Nation of the job creator, Government of India is interested to create the job creator shaping a new area. So in the cases of Government of India is expecting about a 12 job per startup, around 1,618 jobs reported by 9,091 Startup India recognized staff till date. Distribution of a startup with at least one or more government director must be there, about the 55% to 40-50%. In the startup, government director must be there. Very quite the cases. Process simplification. Encouraging startup means government of procurement, patent grant, tax benefit, compliances regimes, and faster exit. 2018 exempted fast tracks means if we are talking about the we are comparing the topic about the process simplification from the 2014 to 2018. So in the 2014 expiation turnover EMD required time consuming process, tax benefit nil, and compliances with physical inspection and faster exit more than 4 years to start any company or startup. That's a very time consuming. But in the total 2020 2018 that government procurement is exempted. Patent grant faster track examination system was created by the Intellectual Property Rights Cell. Tax benefit and income tax exemption, self certifications is started, and within 19 days all programs shall be incorporated by the government procedures. So funding innovation in cases up to March 25, 10,000 crore coffers to be provided by Government of India. For the DIP, 2,200 crore authorized, CDB 1,285.7 crore committed, 26 virtual capitals, venture capitalist fund of around 180 crores disbursed, and 140 startup catalyzed investment started, that is of 600 crore. Government continuous catalyzed 10x fund for the startup, around 1,285.7 crore government commitment, and 7,036 crore corporates made available to the startup, and 13,888 crore target corporates to be made available to the startup. Startup India benefit for the startup. Relaxation of the public procurement norms, relaxation of the turnover experience, earliest money deposit condition for the startup. All central public sector undertaking to follow, procure, and give preference to treatment and preferential treatment to the startup. DIP recognizes startup can directly register and sell on the government e-marketplace with no requirement of turnover or experience criteria. Startup India benefit for the startup, patent and trademark filing by the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Startup India benefit for the startup is 80% rebate in the patent filing fees, 50% rebate in the trademark filing fees, impelled around 1,019 facilitator for the free of cost filing and facilitate to the startup across the India. Government to reimburse facilitator cost also. 801 application have been received, 80% patent rebate, 1,226 application have been received, 50% trademark rebate. Startup India benefit is easier compliances, inspection against 6 labor, 3 environmental law relaxed for the startup. Startup now allowed to self-certify against law, easy compliances for the startup, insolvency and bankruptcy board constituted for the fast track exit, 19-day period for the winding up operation as opposed to 4 years earlier. So in the cases of benefit of the startup in the tax exemption on investment from the investor against issue of the share capital and profit and gains from the income for the 3 years. Startup can apply to avail exemption under section 56 and under section 80 IAC of the Income Tax Act 1961. Opting guidely formulated evaluated criteria in the 5 parameters. First, innovation and uniqueness, share capital details, merchant banker report, detail of issue of shares, and investment. These are the basic criteria based on that any proposal shall be evaluated by the Government of India Department of Industry, Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Interministerial Board means DIP, DBT, DST, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, CBDT, SCBI, RBI or MCA. They are the interministerial board has established to support startup of the Indian startup across the India. So in the case of funding, in the innovation, building capacity, Government of India issued Innovators Atal Thinking Lab to 4,488 crore scheme run by the Niti Aayog to set up think tank lab in the schools across India, where young mind can give shape to their idea through hands-on, do-it-yourself learning. 2,441 schools across India have been selected to set up think tank lab, granting ad of around 20 lakhs per lab over the period of 5 years. So innovators in the cases of Manak, in the case of Manak, 30 crore rupees are allocated to the innovators scheme run by the Department of Science and Technology to strengthen science and technology system, increase research and development human resource base by inviting students from all government and private schools to send their original and creative technology idea and innovation. That is the 30,678 students receive a grant up to 10,000 rupees each. Next funding innovation is the innovator, the Uttarachar Uchtar Aviskar Yojana, around 258 crore scheme run by Ministry of Human Resource Development to jointly fund research project along with private entity undertaken by the IIT student. Funding support provided to 85% research project as various IIT for the product development and commercialization of the project. And around incubation center for 2,044 crore rupees is allocated by the Department of Industry, Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India to support creating a world-class incubation center across the India that will enable entrepreneurs by mentoring and cultivating their idea into successful ventures. By the Niti Aayog, Department of Science and Technology and Department of Biotechnology jointly released the fund of 244 crore through the Incubation Center Fund. And Government of India also allocate the fund for the research park establishment around 665 crore scheme run by Ministry of Human Resource Development to setting up research facilities for the incubation and joint research development effort between academia and industry. Establishment of research and development facilitated across 7 IITs and IISc Bangalore academia industry collaborations. Biocluster and regional center for biocluster and regional center they allocated 412 crore spreaded by Department of Biotechnology to promote innovations among biotechnology company and support commercialization of research. 4 biocluster at the Kalyani, Bangalore, Faridabad and Pune. 3 BRAIC regional center at Hyderabad, Bangalore and Pune need to be established. So in the cases of just picker the ecosystem, create the ecosystem, and India Startup Online Hub are created as a Startup India Hub.org in association with the various international bodies. They will mentor, they will invest, they will government bodies accelerate, incubator, startup, information discovery, cluster learning program, networking and engagement, tools and template, application enable, and startup cases. Startup India learning program 4-week long, free of cost, English and Hindi. The case of Startup India learning program are studied India assessment, building up legal foundation, financial basic, business planning, fundraise valuations, additional resource discussion forum, online workplace, and templated resource for the business plan. So building international bridge, making entry for the Indian startup. Objective is that international bridge for the cross-border exchange of a startup. Market entry support for the Indian startup looking to expand to other country. Connecting Indian startup with the local startup for the successful example of Startup India international partnership with that. So just join hand with the Startup India project, Innovate India project, Develop India project, Stand Up India project, and be the parts of the journey of the innovation society and journey of Council for Sustainable Peace and Development, and be a good entrepreneur to and see the vision of the India as a developed nation. Thank you very much. जानते हो क्या होती है? एक चीज